Hello, welcome to Mini Orange. In this video, we will configure the Drupal SAML SP module with Salesforce. Before proceeding, you need to download and install the Drupal SAML SP module to your Drupal site. We already have a module installation setup guide. You can find a link in the description. After successfully installing the module, select the Mini Orange SAML login configuration under the Configuration tab. You will be redirected to the Service Provider Metadata tab. From the Metadata Details section, copy the SP Entity ID or Issuer and SP ACS URL. Keep it handy. It will be required to configure Salesforce as an identity provider. Let's configure the Salesforce as an identity provider. To do so, first create an application and then assign profiles to that application. To create application, log into your Salesforce site with admin credentials. If you are on the classic mode of Salesforce, then switch to Lighting Experience. In the top right corner, click on the setting icon and after that click on the setup link. Navigate to the quick find text box and search for the identity provider. And then select the identity provider. Now, click the Enable Identity Provider and then the Save button. Then download the metadata and keep the downloaded file handy. It will be required to set up Drupal as a service provider. In order to manage connected apps, click on the link in front of the service providers. You will be redirected to the new Connected App Configurations page. Under the Basic Information section, enter the application name in the Connected App Name field. API name will be automatically generated once the application name is entered. Enter your email in the Contact Email text field. Scroll down to the Web App Settings section, and check the checkbox of Enable SAML. Now, enter the previously copied SP Entity ID or Issuer and SP ACS URL from the Drupal site in the Entity ID and ACS URL text box accordingly. Scroll down and click on the Save button. Now, let's assign profiles to application. Navigate to the Quick Find box and search for Manage Connected Apps. Select Manage Connected Apps. Select the application that you have created on Salesforce. For example, Drupal_SP. Scroll down to Profiles and click on the Manage Profiles button. Select the profiles you want to give access to log in through this app. Click on the Save button. The profile is successfully assigned to the application. Now, let's configure the Drupal as service provider. Now, go back to the Drupal site and click on the Service Provider Setup tab. Expand the Upload the IDP Metadata tab and upload the XML metadata file downloaded from the Salesforce. Click on the Fetch Metadata button. After saving successfully, click on the test link to check the connection between Drupal and Salesforce. That's it. We have successfully configured Salesforce as an identity provider and Drupal service provider. If you want to test on a live environment or Sandbox, then follow the link in the description below. If you wish to test in your own environment or request a 7-day free trial, please contact us via the email provided in the description. Thank you for watching.